the Everse 8, the first battery powered speaker by Electro-Voice. Electro-Voice is a brand that has been around for a long time. I have several speakers, and what I love about this one, we were using this speaker for like 6 hours. It's a small little speaker that is weatherized, and it has uh, a lot of utility because it's very, very light, right? You could put it in any angle, but I think this speaker, I mean, we don't use it for this, but this the purpose of this speaker is for buskers or people that are doing stuff outside in the outside. So um, it has many features that protect it from the weather elements, namely rain, right? Um, and as you see, it's not connected and it's on. It's battery powered. The battery lasts for, they say, for 12 hours. We used it for 6 hours that day. We were listening to music. We're DJs, and it had all this battery power left. You can see it there in the display. It has like all the elements for you to use it outside and not have to worry about it being ruined by the rain or the snow. However, this bag that we're showing right here gives it an extra protection, right? In case you're not sure that the features that it's touting are not going to work, that it's not going to withstand like weather conditions such as rain. This is a bag that's designed for you to be able to operate the speaker. This is an 8-inch woofer speaker, so it sounds really nice. You know, you could put it on the floor and it sounds really nice. If you're like a DJ or a guitarist, a busker, any kind of artist, right? And you put this outside, right? You can angle it, and then you don't have to worry about it being ruined because of the protection. And this Velcro cover, you see that? Lifts up, and then you can operate the speaker even with more protection. Super recommended.